How to gain followers on Lemon8. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Fear not, aspiring Lemon8 influencer, because we are back with some juicy tips to turn you into a follower magnet. Make sure you have installed your Lemon8 using your Play Store or App Store. Now if it's already installed, you can just go ahead and tap open your Lemon8 application. Now how to exactly become a follower magnet? So first and foremost, content is the key. You have to upload high quality content, and that is the golden rule. Create a content that is visually appealing. Invest in good lighting and editing. Remember, people scroll fast, so grab their attention with stunning visuals. Engaging captions. Don't just post pictures, tell a story, ask questions, spark conversation, and use a relevant hashtag. Find your niche, what you are good at. Are you a fashion pro or a DIY whiz? Focus on a specific area to attract a dedicated audience. Fourth and the most important is to post consistently. Regularly share fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Aim for posting schedule you can maintain. You also have to optimize your profile. For that, craft a compelling bio. Introduce yourself, tell people why they should follow you, use keywords related to your niche. Second, make an eye-catching cover photo. This is your first impression. Choose a visually appealing photo that reflects your content. The hashtag magic. Research relevant hashtag to increase discoverability. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtags. Remember, engagement is key, so be interactive, collaborate with others, hop on trend, and promote on your Lemon8. Remember to be patient and persistent. Now you're equipped to become a Lemon8 superstar. Remember, the key is quality content, consistent posting, and engaging with your audience. So get out there, create, connect, and watch your follower count bloom. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to us.